A lot of people ask me whether or not mediation will work for them and how they can really maximize the chances that it will. And here are some points that I've put together. And before I forget, I'm Catherine Miller. I've been a divorce attorney and mediator in New York City and New York State for over 30 years. And in my experience, there are a few things that you can really do to maximize the likelihood that mediation will work for you. One, approach it like as a problem solver. Really be thinking about how can we solve this problem together, because as one party, you have to consider the perspective of the other person, even if you know you're right, and even if you know they're wrong. Their perspective is going to be part of your resolution. So think about it like that. How can we solve this problem? Not how can you prove the other person wrong? And I know for me, that happens a lot. When I get into an argument with someone or I'm trying to negotiate something, I feel like I'm right a lot, and that sometimes gets in my way of being a problem solver. My second hint is to be respectful and to treat each other and the mediator and the mediation process with respect. Be cordial, be courteous, do your homework, and stay in line. And my third tip for today is to keep your emotions in check. Now, this is a tough one. I know that when I was a party in mediation myself, when I was getting divorced, I got pretty upset sometimes, and I might have said some things and done some things that I regretted later. So I know how tough this is. But to that extent, if you can work through those feelings outside the mediation room, that's a really good thing to do. And it really allows you to be respectful, be problem solving, and feel like you're in control of yourself. That's kind of an important thing too. So here's what I want you to do. We put together a mediation etiquette guide. And if you give us your contact information in the links below, I'd be happy to send it over to you. Thanks for listening.